Finding the right sheet metal equipment for your fabrication needs can be challenging. Let us help. At Madison Machinery, we have specialized in metalworking machinery for over 30 years. We sell and manufacture sheet metal equipment for bending, rolling, shearing, and forming, to name a few. Our main objective is to understand your needs, to equip you with smart, lasting solutions for the fabricating challenges you face. Our sales staff is not paid commission and has a vast knowledge of everything we sell. After-sales service is available on all the sheet metal equipment and fabrication tools we offer. We have worked with countless trade schools and government agencies, including all branches of the U.S. military. We offer many flexible payment options, cost analyses for ROI, and the majority of our equipment is in stock for quick delivery. Learn more about our sheet metal equipment and other fabrication tools by visiting MadisonMachineTool.com or by calling 888-838-8722 today.